I'm Casey. I'm from Frankever company. Today I bring my lecture to all of you. And today I will introduce our products to you. Recently, I chatting with one of my friends in Canada, and he met a problem that his big house just suffered by the water recently, and he's very headache because he needs to pay much dollars to prepare his house, almost $1,000. Yeah, I just heard this and very surprised. It seems very complex things to repair a house if suffered by the water. So regarding this, I just consider we have some products may solve custom problem of this, similar problem of this. Why I can't introduce this product to more of the customer? If they use our products, maybe it can help them to avoid such problem. At some time, if we just in our home, we know that we need to use the water, and we have the water control for different rooms. At some time, it's easy for us to control the water pipe or the water switch by hand. Water application problem. And in another situation, maybe next week, I will go out for a business trip for 1 week. But after I leave my home, I can't ensure if our home water was in closed status. So I will very worry about if my house will be suffered by water again. These products maybe can solve these worries. Because if you, no matter where you are, you can use your mobile phone to control your water and just set the water in safety conditions. Then you can will enjoy your trip with your family or with your friend in outside. And in another situation, sometime maybe I plan to plant my garden plants on not Thursday, but because of the busy work, and I almost forget these things. When I remind this thing to see my garden, maybe some flowers or some plants already in very low stages. They need water, but no one can to give water to them. So in this situation, I'm considering maybe I can use my mobile phone to make a plan to water my garden. Maybe I can set on my phone to water the garden on next Monday, on next Thursday, or another week. After do this, there will be no such problem. And also now we know the water is very shortage and expensive in our earth. So regarding this, all government, especially in China, just tell everyone to not waste water, just save water for everyone. With this, so we just consider to do the products which can control the water use. So what I mean with these products, we can control the water output from very slow or big. Yes. It means that our water valves can adjust the water output volume in your home. So with so many situations, seems that our products can solve your worries or solve your headache things. So today I will introduce our water valves products for you. This is Frankever Smart Water Valves. Smart water valves. You can see this is a very traditional water valves. The plastic case, the stainless valves, and is a ball valve. Why I say it's smart water valves? Because I can use my mobile phone to control it, and also I can use my voice to control it by the Alexa or Google Home. For this water valves, it was powered by the Tuya or Smart Life application on your mobile phone. No matter the iOS or the Android mobile phone, both okay to use these water valves. So you just download the application named Smart Life or Tuya Smart. Both those two applications can control these valves. And the first, so I introduce some detailed functions of these water valves for you. For these water valves, first, it's very easy for you to install in your together with your water pipes. No need the professional worker to install for you. Just by your hand to connect water pipes from here. From here. For this valve size, we have the different size. We have the different size to meet with your water pipes, such as we have 1 inch, 1.5 inch, or 2 inch. So we just match our valves together with your water pipes to make them very sealed and no water leak. Yes. This is the different size of these water valves. And also for these water valves, it has the bottle. We can use this to power on or power off. But the most important that we can control these water valves by the mobile phone. So I will introduce the water valve functions on our mobile phone, how it look like. Okay, let me show you. You can see I can control this water valve by the Tuya Smart application. And now I already connect my water valves on my mobile phone. Is it here? So these water valves, we have two standard communication signal. We have the Wi-Fi type and we also have the Zigbee types. For generally, if you just use these water valves in your home, indoor use, they just use Wi-Fi is okay. But you want to control them in more longer distance and you want the steady signal of these water valves, maybe you can choose the Zigbee types for these water valves. I just introduce the basic functions of these water valves on my application. From here, you can see this is the UI surface of the all functions of these water valves. From here, we can see for these water valves, I can adjust the water output from 0 to 100. You can see now I will operate on my mobile phone. Now I want to open this water valve at 50%. Now we can see the water valve is start to opening. Can you hear? There a little the motor noise to show that this water valve is opening now. Yes, now it's opening at 50 rate of this ball valves. And if I want to open all water valves, the water valves all in opening conditions, then I just choose to open at 100. The full open, is 100 rate opening rate. Now we can see the water valve is open gradually. I just control on my mobile phone. So this function is volume adjustable. So we just can control the water output volume from smaller to bigger. Yes. Maybe sometime when our kids to wash their hand, we don't want them to open the water in very big. Just use the water valves to set the water output volume. If they open the water just a little, enough water for them to wash the hand. No waste the water. It will be for both of us, for everyone in the earth. And then that's the next function about the schedule functions. This is schedule function. It means I can make a water application plan. If I want to open my water valves, open the water in my home on next Monday or on tomorrow morning 7 o'clock, or I want to close it on this evening 11 o'clock, just add the timer function. Then we can set the opening or close time or the repeat time. It means in each week we can choose any days to open or close these water valves. This is timer function. And also at the same time, we also can choose how big of this water valves I want to open by here. you can see from the 0% to 100%. Yeah, now I make a timer to open at 16% rate. Yeah. On next Monday, you can see I set here on my mobile phone. There is timer playing. Yeah, it's schedule play here on mobile phone. It means on next Monday, 3 o'clock, the water valves, the water will open at 16% rate. Yeah, is the schedule functions. And also for this water valves, it has the cooling down functions. Generally for this application, we just use them for the garden planning. I want to plain water for 1 hour or for 2 hours. So just use these functions. Now I set 3 hours. So after 3 hours, the water valve will be off. Yeah, will be off. And if the water valves in off status, I make a putting down to let them on. After any time you want to set. Yes, this is some basic functions on the application you can use. And also the important is that you can see from here, like the Google Home. It means that these water valves also can be controlled by the voice, by the Alexa or Google Home. You can use your voice to control these water valves. This is for the Wi-Fi type, as we know, no need the hub, no need the gateway for this water valve. But if you use the Zigbee taps, we need to use the gateway or the hub together with this water valves. And for this water valves, some customer will ask how many choose of this valve size I can choose. You can see we have the smaller things from 1 inch or 0.5 different size for your choice. You can see different size of these water valves for your choice to connect with your water pipe correct. So if you want to choose this product, please don't forget to tell us which size water pipe of yours. Then we can tell you which size water valve it should be connected with. Yeah, this is the water valve size. And also for these water valves, we have the different certification for different markets. Until now, we have the NSF certification, we have the CE rules, and also we have the FCC certification for these water valves. It will be easy and safety for you to import these water valves in your country. Yeah, and maybe some customer will ask how I power these water valves. How I power these water valves? You can see there the cable, USB cable. Yes. This water valves powered by DC 5-volt USB cable. It will be easy for you to get the cable from us or from your home to cover these water valves. The cable length can be customized based on your standard, maybe 1 meter, 2 meter, or 3 meter. Any longer is okay for us to customize for you. And some customer will request us to match the power adapter together with water valves. It's okay. If you want the actual power adapter, just tell us you need the US standard, EU standard, or UK standard. We just match together for you. If you don't need this power adapter, it's also okay. Just use your mobile phone adapter to power it. It's okay. So no worry on this. And some customer will ask us, if your water valve is waterproof, can I use it outdoor? Of course, I tell you of course. This water valve is IP67 waterproof, so it's okay for you to use them outdoor in your garden. It's okay, yes. And also, some customer will ask what package you have. From here, you can see we have 2 different boxes to pack them. For this color box, you can see water valves and with some details or functions products introduced on the color box. For this color box, we generally still pack them with the water bags. You can see what it has in our box. Here, for each kit, we have the manual book with introduced to tell you how to use these water bags. And together we have the USB cable together. If you need a power adapter, we also can match for you. And this is water bags. This is the water bags. When you order the water bags, please don't forget to tell us which standard bags you need, MPT or BSP. And also, please check your water pipe to tell us which size valve you need, such as 1 inch, 1.5 inch, or 2 inch. Different choice according to your water pipe size. So don't forget to tell us these details. Then we can send you the correct products. Then you can use it very easily. And also, I want to introduce another package for you. Yeah, another package for you, such as this color box. It's a big color box. Why we do this big color box? Because some customer will sitting with water bags. If we can't connect with my water sensor together. You're right. Normally in our home, maybe we always use a water sensor to feel if the water leak in their home. But with the water sensor, it only can measure if any water leak, but not any operation to open or to off the water pipe. So just use the water sensor to protect your home from the water leak. And just use water sensor in your home, maybe in your kitchen, in your bedroom, or in your washing room, in your machine room. If it feel any water leak, then it will send the request to this water bags. It calls the automation functions. So now I will operate how to use the automation functions together with the water sensor, with this water sensor and the water pipes. Okay, now I will have a simple. Now in my mobile phone, you can see I already connected with the water sensor and the water bags. Now I will make an automation function. I will tell you how